Hey, have you heard about the Ruby on Rails course for web development?
Yes, I have. It's a great opportunity to learn a highly marketable skill.
Definitely. Did you know that top companies like Twitter, Hulu, and GitHub all built their sites using Ruby on Rails?
Yes, and that's why proficiency in Ruby on Rails is in high demand in the job market.
What makes Ruby on Rails so special?
Ruby on Rails is an open-source web development framework that utilizes the Ruby programming language. It's known for its simplicity, flexibility, and speed.
That sounds great. Is any programming or web design experience required to take the course?
No, the course is designed for beginners. You'll learn to build a Pinterest-style website in Ruby on Rails, mastering the concepts and skills required through practical, hands-on application and examples.
That's amazing. What are the benefits of taking the course?
By the end of the course, you'll have built a fully functional website that you can add to your portfolio if you're seeking employment as a Rails developer. Or you can use it as your foundation to creating more web apps in Ruby on Rails.
I'm definitely signing up for the course. It sounds like a great opportunity to learn a highly marketable skill.
That's fantastic to hear. Ruby on Rails is an essential skill in web development, and this course will provide you with practical application and experience.